Right. Okay, students, we will discuss the questions related to numerical type as well as MSQs in control systems, which is useful for the score the good marks related to the numerical type questions. So, first question, the feedback control system shown in below, T of is given, magnitude of the sensitivity to change in K in steady state for K equal to 1. So, you have to find the what? STK, you need to find STK, First find the at where you have to find steady state, at steady state as well as K equal to 1. Okay. So, first find closed loop transfer function. What is the closed loop transfer function? C of S by R of S equal to, so that is called T, equal to what you are getting? K by S plus 2 plus 3K, S plus 2 plus 3K. Now find STK. So, STK equal to K by T into dou T by dou K, మన లైవ్లో ఏమైనా ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తుంటా స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి? ఒక్క నిమిషం. లైవ్లో వ్యూవర్స్, ఓకే, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? Anybody can tell the answer? K by T, T equal to what? K by S plus 2 plus 3K into dou T by dou K, So, U dash, if you do it, U dash become 1 into S plus 2 plus 3K minus U K into V dash means 0 plus 0 because this will be constant, plus 3 divided by S plus 2 plus 3K whole square. So, now this square, this cancel, KK cancel, then what is left to tell? Here S plus 2 plus 3K, again minus here 3K divided by S plus 2 plus 3K. Then 3K cancel. Then what you are getting? S plus 2 divided by S plus 2 plus 3K. This is the what? STK. Where you have to find steady state. Steady state means what? Omega equal to 0. Steady state equal to omega equal to. Anybody answer? So, what you are getting? S0. At S0, K equal to 1. STK magnitude they are asking. So, at where steady state? Steady state means simply omega equal to 0, T infinity means omega 0. So, K equal to how much given? 1. So, what is the answer you are getting? Tell 2 by 2 plus 3. Yes or no? 2 by 2 plus 3. So, what you are getting? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means what is the answer? 0.8. The answer is 0. So, 2 by 5, 0.4. No? So, answer is 2 by 5. Okay, na? Next one. Anybody answer? Correct. 2 by 5. Very good. Next question. Tell the answer. The open loop transfer function of unity feedback system given. Find the value of K for which system response is oscillatory. Anybody answer? Oscillatory means marginal stable. Anybody can tell the answer? Anybody answer? So, use the marginal stability condition. Solution. So, marginal stability, what is the characteristic equation? Tell 1 plus G of S equal to 0. What is the characteristic equation? Come on, tell. So, S cube plus 2A S square plus A S plus 3 S plus 8 equal to 0. So anybody answer? Use the shortcut for marginal stability. So S cube plus S square 2A S square 2A S square. So 2A S square plus S, take it common, A plus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. So simply for marginal stability, what is the condition? Because oscillatory means simply marginal stable. Oscillatory means simply marginal stable. Anybody answer? Anybody? So that means what you are getting? Internal product equal to external product. What is internal product? 2A into A plus 3 equal to external product 8. So I simplify 2A square plus 6A minus 8 equal to 0. So we can write it as what? A square plus 3A minus 4 equal to 0. So anybody answer? What is A value? So minus 4 comma 1. Among that, what is the answer? Final answer. I want it. What is the final answer? 1 or minus 4? 1 or minus 4? Anybody? 1 or minus 4? Correct answer is, this can be written as what? A minus 1 into A plus 4 kada? Equal to 0. So what you are getting? A is 1 comma minus 4. What is the answer? 1 is the answer. 1 is correct. We should not select minus 4, because if I substitute minus 4, it will become minus 8. Minus 8 means it loses the what? Necessary condition. So compulsory A should be positive. A equal to 1. Whenever multiple answers you are getting, again you have to substitute and you should check it. Sign should not change. First primary condition is necessary condition. So necessary condition must be satisfied. So answer is A equal to 1. Next one. A second order system with derivative feedback shown in figure. Find the K and A value so that the peak overshoot is 16.3 and settling time is 0.8 seconds. 0.8 seconds. Come on, tell man. Do it. Do it. Come on, do it. So first MP given. Percentage of MP how much given? 16.3% given. 16.3. What is the formula? Tell. E power minus pi zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square into 100%. That means what you will get here? Come on, 0.163 equal to e power minus pi zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. Find the zeta value. Simply zeta equal to what? Once you simplify after removing the percentage or after removing the AK, in case AK is there, simply zeta equal to, what is the formula I told? ln of 0.163 whole square divided by pi square plus what? ln of 0.163 whole square. So what is the answer? Come on, anybody? Anybody answer? Anybody? What is the answer? What is the zeta value? Anybody? What is the zeta value you are getting? Anybody? Zeta equal to how much? How much, man? Anybody? Is it perfect in using the calculator, sir? You can remember the for MP for some values of zeta like 0.4, 25%, 5%, 0.7, like 0.5, because generally 0.4, 0.5, 0.7, these are common peak overshoot they used to give. So here you will get zeta is 0.5. Check it. Zeta is 0.5 here. Anybody got it? Very good. Very good. Zeta 0.5. Next, what is given? Settling time given. So, Ts for plus or minus 2%. What is the formula for plus or minus 2%? 4 by zeta omega n. So, how much given? 0.8. 0.8 equal to 4 by zeta omega n. What is zeta we got? 0.5 into omega n. Get the value of omega n. How much you are getting? Anybody? And tell the values of K and A. Omega n equal to how much? Omega n equal to, you should tell. Anybody? 10, very good. Omega n equal to 10 you will get, 10 radians per second. Now find the closed loop transfer function. C by R equal to bolo K by S square. Remember the simple logic, opposite sign, plus numerator term, product with feedback gain. Numerator K, K product feedback gain, AS plus K. So K is nothing but what? Omega n square. So that means what you are getting? Omega n is 10. So 10 square, that means 100. K is 100. Next, Ka is nothing but what? 2 zeta omega n. 2 zeta omega n. So what is K? 100. 100 A equal to 2 into zeta 0.5. Yes or no? Omega n 10. So what is the answer? Tell here. What you are getting? A equal to 0.1. Na? Yes or no? This will become 10. Na? This will become 10. 10 by 100. It will become 0.1. Got it all of you? Got it na? TS is 0.8. TS is 0.8. Right. Next question. At least tell the answer for this. Tell who's the first, check it. Who's the first, check it. You should tell the answer. Come on, students. Check it, all of you. Tell the answer. Who's the first? Use your speed, but you should not lose the accuracy. The open loop transfer function of the system given. The root locus diagram holds. Just asymptotes and breakpoints they asked. Asymptotes and breakpoints. Delay untadi kada transmission. Viewers correct na? ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? Come on, do it. So simply what you have to do? Anybody answer? Okay, here first it is not in standard form. Given this is not in standard form. To draw RLD, not in standard form. Not in standard form. So convert into standard form. For that what you have to do? First you have to convert, you have to write the characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? S square plus Ks plus 2s plus 2 plus 2k equal to 0. Then take k terms common. So if you take k terms common, s square plus 2s plus 2 is one group, k terms common. So ks plus 2k equal to 0. So then what you are getting? What is gh? Tell. Gh equal to k into s plus 2 divided by s square plus 2s plus 2. So now tell number of asymptotes how many? Only one. So angle of asymptote how much? Tell. 180 degrees. That means what happened? Option C is correct. Next check the, it is related to MSQ. So you have to check it even breakpoint also. So you have to check the breakpoint also. B and C, very good. Breakpoint here, simple logic is dk by ds you can find. Another thing, see here what happened? Where are the 1 0 at where? Minus 2. 1 0 at minus 2. Poles at minus 1 plus or minus j1. The poles at minus 1 plus or minus j1. Minus 1 plus j1 minus j1. So if observed here, there is a root locus branch here only. In this here root locus branch exists. So that means what happened? This 0.59 is wrong, because there is no root locus branch at what? Minus 0.59. There is a B may be correct. If you have a doubt either it is wrong or correct, you find dk by ds. Then you check the answer. So find dk by ds. You find the dk by ds. What you will get? Dk by ds you find. So what you will get? Dk by ds means first u dash means 1 into s square plus 2s plus 2 minus u is what? S plus 2 into what? 2s plus 2 equal to 0. Yes or no? Equal to 0. You simplify this. So if you simplify this, you will get the answer is, minus 1 plus or minus 1.414 you will get. That means what happened? Minus 2. So that means minus 3.414 is correct. This is on the what? Here root locus branch exists. So they given this point means this is correct. Verify it. So this is also going to be correct. B and C is correct. Very good. Next question. So solve this question. The block diagram of a particular control system shown in figure. Which of the following is or correct? Minus 0.59 is not on root locus. Next question, come and do it. So here which of the following is or correct? First one is, here what is given? One is loop transfer function, next unit step response, next given steady state output. So what is the loop transfer function tell? Loop transfer function is nothing but what? G of s, h of s. It is simply product of gh is called loop transfer function. So product it, what I will get? 12 by s into s plus 4 into here 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 3 ja. That means what you are getting? 3 by s into s plus 4 is the loop transfer function. That means option A is correct. Option B is wrong. Next, find unit step response. Check it either it is correct or not. For unit step response, you need to find closed loop transfer function. Find closed loop transfer function. Find unit step response. Come and do it. You do it. Do it all of you. Anybody answers? Find closed loop transfer function. So what is the closed loop transfer function you are getting? 3 by, we got open loop, s square plus 4s plus 3. Yes or no? Just add the numerator term in the denominator. No, you have to find unit step response. Then you will find from the 1 minute. You will find from the block diagram. Find it. Find closed loop transfer function. Come on, what you are getting? Numerator is 12 by s into s plus 4. Then opposite sign of the feedback, minus means plus, numerator term 12, product with feedback gain 1 by 4. So then what happened? 12 divided by s square plus 4s plus 3, because there is no unity feedback to add directly numerator in the denominator. That's why you have to write again closed loop transfer function. Now what you have to find? You have to check the unit step response. Check the unit step response, C of S by R of S. So R of S is what? 1 by S. So that means what you can write? 12 divided by S. This can be written as what? S plus 1, S plus 3. S plus 1, S plus 3. Find ILT, inverse Laplace transform, you find it. So C of t, what is C of t? S0 means 12 by 3 means 4, so 4 by S. Next S equal to minus 1, here minus 1, here 2. 2 means 6, 6 means minus 6 by S plus 1. S equal to minus 3 means minus 2, here minus 3, minus 6, minus plus na, so ante 2 divided by what you will get? S plus 3. Apply ILT. So if apply ILT, what is the answer? Tell, what is C of t you are getting? 4 minus 6 e power minus t plus 2 e power minus 3t. That means this step response correct or not? 4 minus 6, so plus 2. That means this is correct. Option C correct. And steady state output to unit step how much? Steady state output means CSS equal to what? Limit t tends to infinity C of t. Substitute t tends to infinity here. If substitute t tends to infinity, e power minus infinity 0, this is 0. That means what is the answer? 4. That means D also correct. Very good. Next, D also correct. Next one. Solve this question. Find the peak value of the response. Anybody? Find the peak value of the response. Come on, do it. Find the peak value of the response. Find it. What is the peak value of the response? What is the formula for peak value of the response? Peak value of the response. What is the formula? It is nothing but C of Tp. C of Tp equal to what? AK plus MP. AK plus MP. Come on, calculate it. Anybody answer? Anybody answer? So what is AK? A is find first closed loop transfer function. What is the closed loop transfer function? 100 divided by S square plus 12S plus 100. So what is AK? 2 na? AK is 2 plus MP. MP formula what? AK into na? Yes or no? MP formula is AK into e power minus pi zeta root of 1 minus zeta square. Solve it. What is the answer? Anybody? Anybody answer? AK is 2. Here also 2 you will get. 2 into 1 plus e power minus pi zeta root of 1 minus zeta square. Anybody? You will get 2.2, 2.189, 2.189. You will get approximately 2.189. Okay. Next one. Peak value of the response means not the peak time. It is AK plus MP. ठीक है ना? Right. A is called amplitude of input. System gain 1 na? Numerator constant by denominator constant. K is 1. A is called step input of amplitude 2 means A equal to 2. That's why AK we taken 2. ठीक है ना? Next question. Come on, solve this. The closed loop transfer function of a unity feedback system given. proportional and error rate feedback. So for unit ramp input, determine the value of K and Z such that steady state error equal to 0. Anybody? Anybody can solve this? Come on. Do it. So first given what? Closed loop transfer function. Observe here. Given closed loop transfer function of unity feedback system given. Unity feedback system given. So first for steady state errors we need what? Open loop transfer function. So because unity feedback mentioned. So convert into open loop transfer function. Find open loop transfer function. G of S you find. So what we are getting, tell? K into S plus Z divided by S square plus 6S plus 8. Again subtract the numerator in the denominator. Means what? Subtract the numerator in the denominator. So Ks minus Kz. Just subtract it. Then H of S we can write it as what? 1. So this can be written as S terms, constant term, take it separate, K into S plus Z divided by S square plus S 6 minus K below plus 8 minus Kz. 8 minus Kz. H of S equal to 1. Anybody answer? So here what we required? Steady state error equal to 0. For which input? Ramp input. So ramp input steady state error 0 means what is the type? Ramp input steady state error should be 0 means the type should be more. Ramp value 80 means we taken 1. That means the type should be more than 1. So we can consider 2. So required type is 2. Required type equal to 2. Required type equal to 2. That means what? S power 1 coefficient must be 0. S power 1 coefficient must be 0. Constant terms must be equal to 0. So S power 1 coefficient means 6 minus K equal to 0. So K equal to 6. Anybody got it? K equal to 6. Very good. Find Z value. So then what? 8 minus Kz equal to 0. 8 equal to K is 6Z. Z equal to what? How much you got? 1.33 na? Z equal to 1.33 you will get. If select this value K6 Z 1.33, the error becomes the 0. Very good. Some students they written answer. Correct answer. Very good. Next. Solve this question all of you. You try. You try, man. Solve this question. Tell the answers. Do it, man. Do it. So the unity feedback system of this is open loop transfer function given. PID controller transfer function they given. So improves the steady state as well as transient performance. What is the value of Ki? So that steady state error is 10% for unit ramp input. 10% for unit ramp input. Come on, do it. We want steady state error is 10%. We want ESS equal to 10%. Means how much tell? ESS should be equal to 0.1. For which input? Unit ramp input. Unit ramp input. Come on, do it all of you. Do it. Tell the answer. Anybody? Do it. It is not conventional, easy only. Come on, do it. So what do you want? We want error is 0.1. So just g of s you write and substitute, you will get the answer. So g of s equal to, so 50 into, simplify this, kd s square plus kp s plus ki divided by, what you are getting, tell here, s into s plus 4 into s plus 5. Questions looks very big, but it is not. Try. Very good. Already some students told the answer, man. Check the calculations. Simply, what is the formula? Steady state error for unit ramp is A by K. What is A, tell man? What you want? 0.1 you want. What is A unit ramp? 1. What is K, Guruji? What is K, tell? Numerator constant by denominator constant. Is it lengthy? Numerator constant by denominator constant is lengthy. Yeah? What is the numerator constant? 50 Ki divided by denominator constant, tell? 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Is it lengthy? Tell man. How much here? 10 times. So what you are getting? Ki value, tell? Anybody? What is Ki? Ki equal to, anybody answer? 4 na? 0.04 0.04, correct? Is it correct? So here 20 kada. So 0.1 divided by 10 Ki and here 4 kada. 4 means here Ki na. So Ki equal to 4 kada ya. Ki equal to 4. Check it. Check it. Ki equal to 4. Ki equal to 4. Check it. Is it correct? Yes, very good. So you should avoid the calculation. It looks like very lengthy. But here only one calculation. Write g of s and then A by K only. Yes or no? It is only one calculation. Right. Solve this question. The rise time and peak time of second order system given. The damping ratio zeta is, the damping ratio zeta is, come on, do it. So what happened? First rise time TR. TR how much given? 0.24. TR is 0.24 and TP equal to what? 0.36. So first find omega D, pi by omega D TP formula. So get the omega D. Omega D equal to pi by 0.36. Come on, what is the answer? Omega D. Do it. Then use the TR. Get the value of zeta. Do it. Practice it. Just practice the questions. What is omega D? You will get 8 point. Anybody answer? You will get omega D is 8.72 radians per second. Come on. Now use the formula TR. What is the formula for TR? Pi minus cos inverse zeta divided by omega D. Then get the value of zeta. So TR equal to how much it is given? 0.36 equal to pi minus cos inverse zeta divided by 8.72. Then pi minus cos inverse zeta pi minus cos inverse zeta equal to 0.36. Anybody answer? .36 divided by yes or no into 8.72. So what is the answer? Anybody? Can you tell the answer? Very good. What is the zeta? Anybody? Karthik ready? Come on, do it. What is the answer? You got it? 1 approximately. Very good. 1.05 radians. 1.05 radian. Now what is zeta? Zeta how much? 1. This is what? Not pi. It is cos zeta. It is not the pi. This product cos zeta you will get. Cos zeta. Anybody answer? Cos inverse zeta equal to 1.05 radians you will get. Now zeta, anybody zeta? 0.5. Very good. Some people written answer correct. Zeta equal to 0.5 you will get. Mahesh Kumar, very good. Next question. Calculation part should be perfect. You should use the calculators always. Here nothing is there, just how quick you are using the calculator. That gives the answer. Now come and tell here. At least tell the answer this. At least tell the answer this. Very good. Bhaskar, very good. Come on, do it. So, what is asking which of the following is are correct? Come on. What is GC of S? GC of S equal to 1 plus 0.04 S divided by 1 plus 0.01 S. Is it lead compensator or lag? Simply we can write it as what? 1 plus S by 25 na 0.04 means divided by 1 plus S by 100 na. Yes or no? That means what is the location of pole? Pole is minus 100 and 0 is minus 25. So that means it is a what? Lead compensator. First 0 means lead. It is a lead compensator. Yes or no? So option A is correct. So second one wrong. Next frequency find and pi compare with what? Standard form 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s you compare. So if you compare it, tau equal to what? 0.04. Tau equal to 0.04. Alpha tau equal to how much? 0.01. So now find the value of alpha. So what you are getting? Come on. So 0.01 divided by tau is what? 0.04. 1 by 4, 0.25. So then pi m equal to formula remember sin inverse of 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. That means sin inverse of 0.25 if take out 0.75 divided by 1.25. So solve it, you will get 36.8 degrees. So A, C, D correct. Very good. This question you tell. The asymptotic magnitude plot of a minimum phase system shown in figure. Which of the following is or correct? Come and tell. Tell man. So what happened here? This is minus 40 here. So first you have to get it what? Omega 1 value. So use the slope formula. Here given 0 dB. Use the slope formula. What is the slope formula? S equal to m2 minus m1 divided by log of omega 2 minus log of omega 1. Come on, tell anybody answer. B and D. So what is the slope? M2. M2 is 20, M1 0 divided by log of omega 2 is nothing but omega 1 minus log of 0.2. Then slope is plus 20. So plus 20 equal to plus 20 divided by log of omega 1 minus log of 0.2. You solve for omega 1. You will get 5 radians per second. Check it. Think omega 1 is 5. No, sorry, 2. Omega 1 2 kadaya. What is omega 1 you are getting? Check it, all of you. 2 you will get. Somebody written B, wrong. Check it once. This is omega 1 is 2. Omega 1 is 2. Is it correct? All of you? Check it. Omega 1 2 you will get. Next, find the transfer function, GH. Anybody answer? Omega 1 2 will get. What is the answer? So, here numerator K, here plus 20 means 1 0 at origin. Here change in slope. Change in slope, what happened? Minus 20, opposite sign add. Minus 20 means 1 finite pole. Here change in slope, opposite sign add. Minus 20, so 1 finite pole. Here opposite sign add. Minus 20 will get 1 finite pole. So that means what you are getting? Ks divided by 1 plus s by 2. Because omega 1 you got it 2. Into 1 plus s by 10 into 1 plus s by 30. Then get the answer. K s divided by 1 plus 0.5 s into 1 plus 0.1 s into 1 plus 0.033 s. By looking itself, we can say C is correct, or check it even K. K both the places given 5 means C correct. No sir, still I will find K means find. Where you know the magnitude? At 0.2, magnitude 0. 0.2 magnitude is 0. So 0 at a frequency of 0.2 equal to what? 20 log K plus 20 log omega. So what is omega? 0.2. Omega equal to 0.2. Get the value of K. So I can write it here minus 20 log K, or I will take it here plus equal to what? Minus 20 log means I can write 20 log 0.2 whole power minus 1. 20 log cancel. K equal to what? 1 by 0.2 is nothing but 5. It is nothing but 5. So K is 5. Next question. Come and tell the lead compensator inserted in the forward path of the control system. Then which of the following is correct? Come and do it. What is the answer? Anybody? What is the answer? Lead compensator is a what? High pass filter. High pass filter means bandwidth increase. Bandwidth increase means speed increase. Speed increase means rise time is going to be what? Decrease. So that means rise time decrease means first one is wrong. And high pass filter generally zeta increase. Zeta increase means percentage of MP decrease. So that means this is wrong. This is correct. Gain margin, phase margin. System is going to become more stable. Gain margin, phase margins are increases. Okay? Next. C and D. Now solve this, all of you. Tell the answers. Consider the following statement regarding the time domain specification of control system. Derivative control. Derivative means high pass filter. Derivative control means high pass filter. High pass filter speed increases. Bandwidth increase, speed improves. So, transient performance improved. That means one is correct. Integral control does not. Integral is low pass filter. It improves the steady state performance. Means second one is wrong. Integral controller affect the stability. Yes, correct. So, it affect the what? Stability. And the 1 and 3 are correct. Okay. Right. So, all this, it is a theory question. Consider the following statement regarding the advantage of closed loop negative system. Accuracy of the closed loop system always more. The transient response, yes or no, decay more quickly. I told it, closed loop system is what? Gives the very quick response. And open loop system, closing the loop, the overall gain is decreases, not going to be increased. This is what? Wrong. Then in the closed loop system, the effect of variation of component, this is sensitivity. Sensitivity is going to be reduced. So 1, 2 and 4 is the correct. Solve this question, all of you. Make it fast. So here sensitivity is asking. Simply find the transfer function first. Use the block diagram technique. T equal to C by R. First simplify this both product. So what is the transfer function? 100 divided by 1 plus GH 0.09 into 100 into here K divided by 1 opposite sign plus 0.09 K. Then what you are getting here? If solve this 100 K divided by this is how much you will get? 9 na? And 10 into 1 plus 0.09 K. So 1 0 cancel. And what you are getting? 10 K divided by 1 plus 0.09 K. Find the what? Sensitivity when K equal to 100. So STK equal to K by T into dou T by dou K. You can do, it is easy. Dou T by dou K. So K by T 10K divided by 1 plus 0.09 K into dou T by dou K. K means here 10 into 1 plus 0.09 K. Bolo. Next again what happened? Minus 10K into 1 will become 10K into 1 become 0. So that means what you will get? 0 plus 0.09 K. Yes or no? K become 1 divided by 1 plus 0.09 K whole square. Tell the answer, anybody? What is the answer? This cancel. K cancel. This 10 here, 10 cancelled. Then what you are getting? 1 plus 0.09K minus 0.09K divided by 1 plus 0.09K. This cancel. That means I think 0.1, 1 by K 100 is substitute 10. So you will get 0.1. This question you can solve by yourself. The sensitivity we already practiced many questions. Next one you solve it. This question you solve. Solve this question. Solve it. Anybody answer? So just you find what? Transfer function, you will get the answer. S inverse, this and all S inverse. S inverse. S inverse. Come on, what is the forward path gain? C by R equal to 1 by forward path gain 1. This is loop 1, this is loop 2, this is loop 3. This is loop 1. Yes or no? This is loop 2. This is loop 3. Loop 3. This is loop 2. Come on, what is the answer? 1. Opposite sign of loop 1. So, this is K1, K2, K3. In the diagram, K3, where I drawn. Which one I taken? K1, which one K2? And this is K3. Come on, what I will get? 1 plus K3 by S. 1 plus K3 by S. K3 by S plus K2 by S square. Anybody answer? Plus K1 by S cube. So what is the answer you are getting? S cube divided by S cube plus K1 S square plus K3 S square. K3 S square plus bolo K2 S plus K1. So that means what is the characteristic equation you got? Characteristic equation is S cube plus K3 S square plus K2 S plus K1 equal to 0. For given data, anybody answer? For given data, characteristic equation. Given data what? One pole at origin, one pole at -1, one pole at -2. That means S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 equal to 0. So what is expansion tell? If you expand it, S cube plus bolo 3S square plus 2S plus 0 equal to 0. Now tell the answer. What is K1? Anybody? K1 becomes what? 0. K2 becomes what? K2 becomes what? 2. K3 becomes what? 3. Only thing is that you should perfect in finding transfer function. That's all. Is it clear? Next question. The feedback onto open loop transfer function given. The radius of the circle is Radius of circle means you have to find the break points. Anybody, can you tell the answer? Very good, Bhaskar. Bhaskar, something C or J. Some people, they can enter into name, na? You can enter into the name. You can log in it with the name, na? Right. Come on, what is the answer? A unity feedback control system given. So, center radius of the circle they are asking. So, G of S equal to K into S plus 5 divided by S plus 1 whole square. So, center radius is nothing but what? We have to find first break point, then center, distance from center to break point is called radius. So, find break point first. So, break point d by ds, dk by ds. Bolo, what you will get? So, numerator 1 into s plus 1 whole square minus u into u dash into v, next u into v dash. What is v dash? 2 into s plus 1. Again, yes, you do it, it will become 1 only. So, this equal to 0. Anybody answer? Can you tell the answer? Anybody? So, s plus 1, take it common. What is left here? S plus 1 left. What is left here? Minus s plus 1, take it common. So, what is left here? 2s minus 10. Yes or no? S plus 1, 2s minus 10 equal to 0. So, that means what you are getting? S plus 1, here what? Minus s minus 9 equal to 0. And what you are getting? S plus 1, s plus 9 equal to 0. And what you are getting? S equal to minus 1 minus 9. These are valid or invalid? 100% valid, because circle you are getting means minimum required 2 break point, that must be on root locus. So, 2 poles at minus 1, it is a 1 break point, no doubt. 1 break point minus 1. And we are having 1 0 at minus 5. You observe your root locus branches. You observe root locus branch. Here no branch. Here no branch. But here there exists a what? Root locus branch exists here. That means minus 9 is a valid break point. Minus 9 is a valid break point. Now tell the center and radius. Anybody answer? Center and radius. Anybody? Center is midpoint. Anybody? Center midpoint minus 1 minus 9 by 2. Center is minus 5. Radius distance minus 5 to break point, for example minus 1. What is the distance? The distance is 4. So, radius is 4. Or minus 5 to radius distance minus 5 to minus 9. What is the distance? 4 units. Don't add the sign. Radius is a magnitude. You should not add the sign. Okay? I told you multiple poles, it is a break point. Read the notes. Definition of the break point, you refer it. Repeated pole location will act as one break point. This is the diagram. Here leaving, here enter. This is the diagram. This is the break point. Okay? Next, come on, do this. Do this. The open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system given. Which of the following? Come on. So, what is C of S by R of S? Anybody? 25 divided by S square plus 5S plus 25. Do it. Right, come on, do it. So, what is omega n? 5. Omega n is 5. Zeta is 0.5. So that means this is correct, this is correct. Check omega d and omega r. Omega d wrong. Omega d never become omega n unless until zeta 0. Zeta 0 means omega d become omega n. In that case, even it will become omega r. All are same. So check it omega r. What is the formula? Omega n into root of 1 minus 2 zeta square. What is omega n here? 5 into root of 1 minus 2 zeta square. What is zeta square? 0.5 square. So that means 5 into root of 1 minus 0.5. 0.25 into 2 means 0.5. That means 5 root 0.5. It is nothing but 5 by root 2 radians per second. That means C is correct. ठीक है. Next question, solve this. Consider the feedback system with G of S given. Get the K value to the gain margin equal to 16 dB. Come on, do it. K value for 16 dB. Solve it. Anybody answer? So gain margin equal to 16 dB want. First find omega PC. First find omega PC. Angle GH equal to minus 180. So minus 180 equal to bolo minus 90 minus tan inverse omega minus tan inverse omega by 2. Then minus, all minus become plus. So 90 equal to tan inverse of omega plus omega by 2 divided by 1 minus omega square by 2. That means infinity means you will get omega PC is root 2. Then use the gain margin formula and get the answer. Anybody answer? Use the gain margin formula. Minus 20 log of magnitude of GH of J omega at omega PC. How much? Plus or minus root 2. Point 95. Very good. So here 16 equal to minus 20 log of magnitude, right? What is the magnitude? K by omega root of omega square plus 1 root of omega square plus 4. At where? Omega PC root 2. So now solve this value, substitute here. You solve it 16 by 20 na? Minus 16 by 20 equal to log of K by root 2, here 3, here 6. Solve this. K equal to, will get it 0.95. 10 power minus 0.8. Next question. Come on, do this. The open loop transfer function given. We want phase margin equal to 45 degrees. So use the directly phase margin formula. 180 plus angle of G of J omega at where omega GC. we want 45 degrees equal to 180 plus angle GH. What is angle GH? Minus 90 minus 2 times of tan inverse of omega by phi, at where omega GC. Then 90 means minus 45 degrees equal to minus 2 tan inverse of omega GC by phi. Now solve this, you will get omega minus become plus. Come on. So omega GC equal to, what is the answer you are getting? Omega GC, anybody? 2.07 వస్తుంది. Check it. Anybody got it? Then at omega GC magnitude 1. Anybody answer? At omega GC magnitude equal to 1. So K by what is the magnitude? Omega into omega square plus phi square. Whole square is there, na? Root we can avoid. At omega GC. Get the K value. K equal to omega GC into omega GC square plus 25. Come on, substitute. Get the value of K. What is the K value, anybody? 60.62. Check it. Very good. Next, this question. The characteristic equation of a unity feedback system S cube plus K1 S square plus S plus K2 equal to 0. Which of the following statements is or correct? Come on, tell. Anybody answer? Anybody answer for this? Check it. Tell the answer. So here characteristic equation given. Here you have to observe which is variable. What is asking? First statement, all the root locus branches will terminate at infinity is asking. The number of branches whatever is there, that should be terminate at infinity. So that means here what is variable? K2. That means what is G here? What is GH? Tell. K2 is the variable. So K2 numerator you have to take, because system gain divided by remain all the parameters. So remain everything is right. This is S cube. So that means what is right? S cube plus K1 S square plus S. So I can write it what? K2 divided by whatever it is S square plus K1 S plus 1. So number of root locus branches 3. So there is no 0. So that means all the asymptotes terminates at infinity. 3 branches turn because no zeros. So 3 branches, 3 asymptotes terminates at infinity. So that means first statement is correct. Second statement, for the given K2, all the root locus branches terminate at infinity for variable K1. So if variable K1, GH become what? Tell. K1 S square in the numerator divided by remain everything you write in the denominator. So S cube plus S plus K2. That means what happened? Number of asymptotes you find 1 only. That means 1 asymptote. That is what? At 180 degrees. 2 asymptotes end at 2 zeros. Only 1 is ending at infinity. Only 1 end at infinity. 1 end at infinity. That means second one is wrong. Third one, same. value of K1 given. That means what? What is telling? Only one root and terminate at infinity, means third statement also it is going to be correct. Yes or no? 1 and 3 correct. Now you tell this. Which of the following statements associated with gain and phase margin? So what happened here? See, gain and phase margin, the polar plot, it shows that how close to the what? -1. If I take it -1, I told it relative stability concept either remembered or not. So as the intersection point moves close to the -1, what happened? System become less relative stable. That means the distance measures the what? Stability of the system. They are measure the closeness of the, it is asking about gain and phase margin. So closeness to the what? -1 plus J0, correct. So next, for minimum phase system, both gain and phase margins must be positive, correct. For non-minimum, there is no particular condition, I told it. There is no particular condition. That means what? 1 and 2 are correct. 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. Next, solve this. Solve this question. For the system shown in figure, the rise time to the unit step input is, anybody? Do it. For the system shown in figure, the rise time for unit step input. Anybody answer? Anybody? C by R equal to what? 1 by S plus 1. So first order system rise time formula remembered? 2.2 tau. So tau is 1. So 2.2 into 1. So tau is 1 second. So that means 2.2 seconds. Rise time is simply 2.2 seconds. ठीक है ना? Not infinite. Tau is 1 second. Tau is 1 second here. So for the system shown figure, damping ratio without derivative feedback 0.2, settling time 1.25 seconds. When the derivative feedback is added, what must be the value of B so that damping ratio improved to 0.6? First, without derivative feedback means without this, you write the C by R. So what I will get? K by, here 6.4 only. 1 minute. Yes, 6.4 only. K by S square plus 6.4S plus K. Yes or no? This is not there. Derivative feedback. Options without derivative feedback I am doing. So in this case, what is zeta? Damping ratio given 0.2 given and settling time given 1.25. Settling time TS given 1.25. So 1.25 equal to 2%, 4 by zeta omega n. Zeta is 0.2 into omega n, 1.25 here. Get the value of omega n directly. What is the value of omega n you will get? You will get 16. Omega n equal to 16 you will get. 16 radians per second. Check it. Omega n 16 you will get. That means K equal to what? Omega n square. So 16 square means K equal to 256 you will get. K equal to 256. That only we required. Next again what? You find the B value to get the zeta 0.6. That's all. Again find closed loop transfer function. C of S by R of S. So K divided by S square plus 6.4 S. K product with this. That means what you will get? KBS plus again K. So now K is what? How much? 256. 2 zeta omega n equal to what? S terms na? This can be written as k by s square plus s 6.4 kb plus k. So now substitute here 6.4 plus kb. You solve for 2 into zeta, how much I required? 0.6. Omega n how much? 16 equal to 6.4 plus k 256 into b. Solve for b. You solve for b, you will get 0.05. You practice this question, sir. Sometimes they will ask some lengthy questions, sir. You should practice it. Don't neglect it. I covered almost all the models. You practice all these questions, sir. Don't neglect. Solve this. A state variable formulation of the system given is asking controllability and observability. So what is A matrix given? -3, 1, 0, -2. B matrix given 0, 1. C matrix given -1, 1. Check the controllability and observability. Come on, do it. What is QC matrix? QC is BAB. So what is B? 0, 1. Product AB, A matrix with B. -3 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Yes or no? Next second row. So 0 into 0, 0. 1 into -2, -2. So check the QC equal to -1, not equal to 0, means controllable. Next, check the observability. Q0, C, CA. What is C? -1, 1. Product -1, 1. With A, -1, 1. So here 3, here 0, means here 3. Next, -1, -2, means -3. Det you find, it is going to be 0, na? Det of Q0 means not observable. So that means here A and D. A and D. Solve this question. Numerical type questions kada ya. Nyquist plots, what they can ask numerical? Number of encirclements they can ask. Come on, do it. So here what happened? C by R, you find it 3k divided by 2s plus 1 plus 3k. K3, what is the time constant? Right. So here K3, bolo. So what I will get? Here we are talking about time constant, na? So that means denominator enough, pole location enough. What is the pole location? Tell. -1 minus 3k by 2. K3 means what you are getting? -10, na? -10 by 2. That means -5 is the pole location. Then time constant become 1 by 5. That means 0.2. So when k equal to 3, first one is correct. K greater than 3, then automatically this value more than, it shift to still left. Time constant become lesser, not greater. That means this is wrong. This is correct. Time constant become less. Next one, I think next slide it is there. Is less. Time constant is less than is there. Less than 0.2. Time constant is less than 0.2. less than 0.2. A and C are correct. This question is solved. A is correct aya. K equal to 3, pole -5, time constant 0.2 correct. This is solve it. One or two slides add చేయొచ్చు కదా మనం. Come on. So here okay, first solve this question. The first overshoot of a second order underdamped system -1. So that means given MP given what? 0.1. So unit step. Then the first undershoot they are asking. What is the formula for undershoot? Anybody? What is the formula for undershoot? E power minus 2 pi zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. It is for first undershoot. First undershoot. AK, default AK1. Default AK1. Or you can take it even AK also, nothing wrong. So then what happened? Tell this is given part. This can be written as AK into E power minus pi zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. Whole square can I write? This I bring into square. That means 0.1 whole square. That means answer is 0.01. 0.01 is the answer. Next, one question you write it. The Nyquist plot. The Nyquist plot of open loop transfer function GH is shown in figure. For which one pole right? For which one open loop pole right of S plane. Then the number of closed loop poles are, the number of closed loop poles right are dash. Come on, tell the answer. Tell the answer. Anybody answer? Draw the Nyquist plot and tell the answer. Come on, jaldi. Anybody answer? 0. So this is the diagram. Take the mirror image with respect to real axis. So this is the mirror image. Then number of encirclement, default condition. They didn't mention the what? Number of poles at origin. Default is clockwise. Where is the critical point? -1 here. Then draw a line, n about -1. How much? 0. But P is what? 1. So system unstable. Not equal to P. Closed loop system unstable. Find the number of poles right. N about -1 equal to open loop pole right minus closed loop pole right. So this is 0. This is 1. Closed loop pole right. How many? Closed loop pole right equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? For example, given this, the Nyquist plot for GH equal to 100 divided by S cube into S plus 1 is shown in figure. The number of closed loop poles right are, come on tell. The number of closed loop poles right are. Do it. Anybody answer? After this, one more question is there, then I'll close it. If any doubt is there, you can send in WhatsApp. It will be available, I think. Is it next available? It is available. You can see tomorrow also again. Later we can see. Come on, make it Nyquist plot. Take the mirror image. How many encirclements? Here given open loop transfer function. Open loop pole right given 0. And 3 poles at origin. 3 encirclements. 3 poles at origin means 3 encirclements you have to draw. Draw 3 encirclements. Draw 3 encirclements total in the clockwise. So 1, 2 and 3. Last one end at where the polar plot started. It must be in the clockwise direction. It must be in the clockwise direction. So critical point inside, don't select outside. This is infinite circle. The critical point is always inside. Draw a line. Find the n value. What is this? Clockwise. Clockwise means -1. Clockwise means what? -1. N about -1 equal to -2, but P 0. So closed loop system unstable. Then again n about -1 equal to P open loop pole right minus closed loop pole right. So then minus 2 equal to 0, closed loop pole right. So closed loop pole right equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Like this you have to find what? Number of encirclements. So then you have to find number of closed loop poles right. Okay? Again revision series is there. So all the topics will revise later, I think. When it is there, they will announce the date. So you attend that, so that all the topics it is going to be revised. But before that you try to complete your preparation. Last question. Be confident. You prepare all the topics. Consider the system given below. This is recent ISRO question. Recent 25 ISRO question. The sensitivity of the steady state error for unit step input is come on, solve it. The given options, I will write it. Last question. Option A given mu u minus 1 divided by u. B u minus 1 by u square. C u square minus u minus 1. D 1 by u minus 1. Come on, do it. This is recent ISRO question. Some people even once asked a question in the gate also, non-unity feedback system. They given answer wrong, they given 0.5, it is wrong. Our materials they written 0.5. So that is wrong, it is 0 is correct. For example, see this question. If it GH producted, like a local author book, some books you observe, they are producting GH. If it GH producted, that will become type 1. Type 1 means steady state error 0. Then you will write the answer 0 here. No option is matches. So don't do that. Don't follow that first of all. You convert into unity feedback or simple logic I told na. What is the simple logic? So first error, sensitivity of steady state error you have to find. So ESS mainly you have to find. So whenever non-unity given, what I told, limit s tends to 0, s into what? R of s minus C of s use. So limit s tends to 0, s into what is R of s? 1 by s, because unit step input. Into C of s, right? C of s, what I will get? K by s into s plus 4 in s plus 1 into, sorry, s plus 4, s plus 1 I will write, plus ks plus ku is the what? Closed loop transfer function. Then I can write here k by s cube plus 5 s square plus 4 s plus, can I write yes or no? 4 s plus ks plus ku into 1 by s, into 1 by s. Then 1 by s take it common. So limit s tends to 0, s into 1 by s, if you take it common, 1 minus k by s cube plus 5s square plus 4s plus ks plus ku. Come on, ss is cancelled. S tends to 0, all put it 0. Then what is the answer you are getting? So ESS equal to what? 1 minus k divided by ku. That means what you are getting? 1 minus 1 by u. K cancelled. Then what you are getting? U minus 1 by u is the steady state error. So, but what is asking? Sensitivity of the steady state error. Sensitivity of the steady state error. So, we got ESS equal to u minus 1 by u. Sensitivity of steady state error with u. So, what happened? U by ESS into dou ESS by dou u. So, that means u by ESS, u minus 1 by u into dou ESS by dou u means numerator 1 into u minus u into u minus 1. Na? Oh. Right. So, here u minus 1 into u 1 divided by u square. Then u square means this cancel. Then what is left? Tell? U minus u plus 1 divided by u minus 1. U cancel. So, 1 by u minus 1 is the answer. That means the answer is D. Okay? So, always whenever given non-unity feedback system, compulsory you use 1 minus R of s minus E of s only. Okay, na? In case exam, in case get they given wrong answer, they taken directly GH, we can challenge the question. Okay, na? So, all the best, prepare well, don't waste the time. Still you are having a what? More than 40 days. So, you can prepare well, utilize maximum time. Okay, maintain good health. All the best. Thank you.